One of you asked me a really interesting question recently. You wanted to know what I would do with extra granite slabs. Extra granite slabs are often tossed aside and thrown away because a lot of people just see them as extra supplies that were not used. Instead of the creative materials, a lot of you can utilize in your own spaces. In this video, I have a few different creative ideas, and we're going to start pretty mild. And then the third and fourth one are going to be, of course, my favorite because they're a little more unconventional. One of the most beautiful ways to use a leftover granite slab is as a side table. Stone has this really nice sculptural quality to it, so even something as simple as resting a slab on a metal frame can suddenly feel intentional. And now it can start to look like furniture or a design object rather than leftover construction material. Another idea I think works really well is to use extra granite as a floating shelf. Because the material is heavy and solid, when it's mounted up correctly, it creates a very nice visual contrast with lighter elements like wood or painted walls. It can help make a space feel more architectural, and this is actually a very simple project if you do want to go this route. So in my space, I don't have extra granite slabs as a floating shelf, but I did have these Facebook Marketplace glass floating shelves, and the brackets they came with were not very good. So I had to go to Lowe's, or you can also go to Home Depot and get some brackets. And the ones I got were not made specifically for these glass shelves. And so I kind of had to do my own thing and figured out I could use command strips once the brackets were put on the wall and sturdy. I just put some command strips that were clear on top of those and laid the glass on top and made sure they were nice and sturdy before putting anything on the shelf. So that is something that you can do just to have some like extra support when you're putting those pieces together if you want something very simple. Now, like I said, extra granite slabs can be left over from a renovation in your space. However, they are also seen a lot on places like Facebook Marketplace. I've come across a lot of tiles, extra granite slabs that people have used and not used in their space and they're looking to get rid of. You can often find them on Facebook Marketplace for relatively cheap. So if this video sparks any interest in trying a creative project for your space utilizing extra tiles or granite slabs, then I would navigate to Facebook Marketplace to start your journey. But back to these ideas. Now, getting into the ideas for granite slabs that I personally find more interesting. The first one, using granite slabs as wall accents. A slab can create a focal point. Now, one of my favorite places to incorporate granite slabs as a wall accent is in the bedroom as a kind of backsplash to the bed or as like a headboard. I think using granite slabs as a backdrop for the bed is just a very elevated way of creating interest in your space. You can go directly behind the bed and create this very architectural headboard feel. You can place it around if you have like a protruding wall where your bed lies, or even in a space like an office, like you kind of have an open office space and it has that protruding wall. You can frame that space by utilizing the slabs. So this can be a very interesting way to create a focal point in your space, especially if the granite has a strong pattern or veining. It almost becomes this natural piece of artwork on the wall. You can also use smaller slab pieces as bench toppers, console table toppers, or some type of surface area topper. The salon I work for actually did this for their front desk. They have this very long, narrow granite slab that they placed on top of the wood kind of office desk area, and they didn't really mount it correctly. So if you're going to do this, make sure you apply some adhesive to the top so that it doesn't like move. But I think placing just a slab piece on top of a surface can create this very interesting transitional piece to your space. All right, so my camera died, so the quality is gonna be a little different here. So going back to the original question that started this video, what would I do with an extra granite slab? I think the interesting part about questions like this is that they change the way we think about materials. Instead of asking, what is this material normally used for? You start asking, what can this material become in a space? So if you're someone who's intrigued about creative spaces and wanting to start incorporating more creative material projects in your space, then I would highly suggest watching my other videos and also subscribing to my channel. It really helps, and I hope that I find more creatives like you interested in these videos. So start asking me questions if you want to know what I would do with other materials in a space, or if you're interested in other video ideas. So thanks for watching, everyone.